Today is Thursday. That of course means we're back in nutrition educator Lynn Matava's kitchen. Today we're learning how to make healthy lasagna rolls with zucchini. Check it out.
I'm going to show you a fun version, a kind of lightened up version of lasagna today. I know I've heard from people they still have a few of those summer zucchinis sitting around. They never seem to disappear. So basically what we do is I cut the top and bottom off of each one, and then I divide them into 4 equal strips lengthwise. Your hands out of the way of the knife, of course. And I will cut these on the back so that they lay flat. This is a pretty big one. I probably could have done more than 4 strips on this one, but for now we'll just, for the example, keep it as is. And then these would be laid out in a pan and sprayed with a little bit of nonstick spray, maybe a little Italian seasoning if you have it. Even just garlic would work. And then these would be put in the oven for 10 minutes on one side, flipped 5 minutes on the other. Scooch them out of the way so you can see they come out of the oven. They're kind of brown. They aren't perfect, and it's okay. Got a little pan here. And so I've got here some ricotta cheese. It's one of the small 15-ounce containers. That's about 2 cups of ricotta. And I mixed it with an egg, and I'm going to throw in about a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. You could put a pinch of nutmeg in here, or again, some garlic powder. Fresh garlic would be good in there as well. And then all I'm doing is I am taking these already cooked zucchini that are cooled slightly, and I'm putting a little bit of this mixture in here, and then just kind of roll it up on itself. It'll bake. If it breaks a little when you're rolling it, it's not a big deal. It'll bake into one nice casserole dish. And again, just rolling this on itself. And you would keep doing this until you had an entire pan full. For one of these little pans, it takes 2 zucchinis. If you're doing, like, say, a 9 by 9, it would take about, I lost my cloth. It would take about 4 zucchinis. And then once you get them all rolled, we'll pretend they are just for the purposes of TV magic, put a little bit of tomato sauce on, and just a little pinch of mozzarella cheese. So you can see these, how cute these are, and imagine them in a full pan. I put the full pan in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, a nice little lightened up lasagna recipe that is also going to give your family an extra serving of veggies. So I hope you enjoy.